This simulates a parking garage. We have a enter and an exit. So if you go ahead and hit the enter button, it's going to have a little animation of the gate opening as well as the motor running one direction. Once that gate is up, the car is gonna slide over, as well as the car on the animation. And now the gate on the animation is closing as well as reversing the motor. We also have an exit, which does the exact same thing, only it simulates a vehicle exiting the parking garage. So the car is now exiting with this motor. This guy is gonna move forward after the gate opens. And now the gate's going to close on the animation as well as reverse the motor. And the cool thing is you can actually kind of get them all going at the same time, so you can have cars leaving and exiting at the same time.